Okay, you are welcome here. So I know it's the title of this video that brought you in here to watch this video. Okay, we have a Mvave black box here. So the issue I have with this black box is that the charging ports had an issue which I tried to fix. You can find the details in my previous video. So I had to order a replacement screen because while trying to fix the charging ports, I broke the screen. So let me show you. Let me take out the light so you can see. Now you can see half of the screen is no longer showing. You can see half of the screen is blacked out, and you can see a dark circle around the screen. Okay, so now I ordered the replacement for the screen from AliExpress. You can see here it came in this pack, well packed. So this is the new screen that I'm gonna be fixing there. So take note that this pin was not welded to the board, so I had to weld it myself. Okay, so I welded the pin. It is an 8-pin, very easy to do if you are technically inclined. So I just welded it. So now let me take out the bad screen and fix the new one that I just got so you can see. You have to be careful with this because the screen looks fragile. Okay, so this is the replacement screen I bought. This is the old one. You can see it's working perfectly. So this screen costs $2.59 from AliExpress. You can see this is the price of this screen, and you can see the model number. You can just make a search. You can do a picture search using the model number specified in the board. You can see ST7789. That is the model number of this board. Okay, so I had to lose the old board to discover the model number. Then I made a search on AliExpress and discovered that I can get an exact replacement of the copy of the screen, and you can see it is working perfectly. Everything is working. So just like I mentioned in my previous video, the charging port has an issue. It's no longer charging from the main charging port. So I had to install this board and then run the wire to the battery, positive to positive, negative to positive, negative to negative, sorry. So and it is charging the system perfectly. So that is it. So I just connected the wire to the charger. Let me take out the light so you can see the blinking light that shows it's charging. You can see red LED light blinking underneath the board. So when the battery is fully charged, this red light will stop blinking and it will just show red steady light. Also, I had to file down the position I fixed the external type C board to charge the battery. You can see the cover perfectly laps on the system. Did I mistakenly mention tank G? No, this is Blackbox. Alright guys, there you have it. In case you run into this issue, you know what to do.